Hi all, myself Amulya Chennaboyena. Welcome back to my Python crash course. Let's get started. Today we are going to discuss about Python data types. There are of 5 different data types: numbers, boolean, sequence, mapping and sets. In numbers, those are classified into 3 different types: integer, float and complex data types. And boolean, it's of either true or false, 1 or 0. Next, it's a sequence. Sequence again is divided into 3 different data types. They are string, list and tuple. And next, mapping. In mapping is the dictionary. The most useful in the data science, we use dictionaries. And next, the sets. Sets is again divided into set and frozen set. In this video, I'm going to explain about numerics or number data type, boolean data type, and the upcoming videos I'm going to explain the others. So let's get started. Data types, for example, value 1, as we already taken value 1, let's assign it as 6 and we print it of type 1. Print of sys dot get size of value 1. So this gets the size of the variable. Print of val1 comma is integer comma is comma end. So let's execute this code and I'm gonna explain you very quickly. So the first print is where it displays the value, and the next is it displays the class, the int class, and then the size of val1 is 28 bytes, and then the value 1 is an integer and it's s. Is instance function tells whether it's an which type you have provided. It's a boolean. So let's do with float 92.92 suppose, or 78 you can take. We have to do all the things are same. Next, let's give us do's in everything and you run it. So you could see it. Oh, my bad. I wanted to mention it as float. So when you run it, it's a class float and it is of 24 bytes and 6 val1, okay, my bad. 92.78 is integer, I mean multiple changes, my bad. Is float, yes, it's true. Suppose we want to give a complex data type. As you know, complex data type. Now I'll be very careful, I modify it very well. 25 plus 10j, this is a complex data type. type. Suppose give it a value 3, value 3, value 3, value 3, and it's a complex, and it's a complex, value 3. Okay, now I think I'm good. So 25 plus 10j is the value of value 3, and it comes under the type complex, and it consists of 32 bytes, and yes, it is complex. You can confirm the data type using the isInstance method too. So the sys.getSize of gives you, suppose let's do it in a oral way, more a separate way. Suppose let's check it for the int. What could be the size? 24. How about the float? How about the complex? It's 32. So the size of complex object in bytes, by default it would be 32. If you add it more, then you're gonna see a difference. So next get with Boolean. We have when you say Boolean, it would be either 1 or 0 or true or false. So let's do a quick practice on it. Bool 1 equals to true. I'm just assigning the value bool 1, bool 2. Just print of type of bool 1. It says it's a boolean. If you go back to it, true and false are keywords. So whenever you assign a value of true or false, it by default takes it as boolean. In a similar way, if you do it for bool 2, you get the same. Suppose if you want to use the bool function in any of your code, if you use the bool of 0, it gives you false, and if you use the bool of 1, it gives you true. Bool of none is false as well. When you take bool of false, it's the false. Both are the same. And bool of any number, suppose, it gives you true. And bool of true is true as well. So let me end it here. Thanks for watching, and please do like, share and subscribe, and hit on the bell icon for more updates.